So what's your name?
Slow.
Taking any medicine?
Right now, I'm taking some back medicine
Back.
for like 10 days. Yeah, back spasm ka.
Okay.
Abhi just ही 10 days, nothing else. Before I used to take
What?
lot before. For asthma, I used to take some medicine,
Okay.
and for my lips, I used to apply some gel,
Okay.
ICT, because my lips get very
Which you are 17 years old, and which college you are studying?
mithi back.
Mithibai. And which school you have studied?
Fifth.
Vibgyor. Wow, this one.
Yeah, Goregaon.
Goregaon. Pittle. So system is created by the nature so perfectly that if we follow the nature, so what all qualities we have in our system? 5 qualities
In nature.
in our body. Yeah, in nature also. Same things are in nature also. Same thing they call the elements.
Air, fire, water, earth.
What are they?
Earth, acha, in our body.
Huh.
Touch, hear,
No.
vision.
That is a different thing. The 5 elements, they are senses you are talking about. 5 elements.
Water.
Say it
fire.
comes from the sky.
Acha.
Sky,
Earth,
air.
Sky.
After the sky, what comes? Air. Then
Earth,
water,
earth,
fire. So fire and then earth. So these 5 elements we have in each and every living body on this earth. And the 5 elements they are in the system also. If we follow the nature, there should be no disease. But right now, if you see my channel, so 99% of Indians have some kind of disease. Only hardly 1% are left without the disease. And that is because we believe it sounds really, why I'm talking with you all these things, because you must understand you have come to a Ayurvedic or naturopathy practitioner. When you go to allopathic, okay, what is your problem? Painkiller. With painkiller, antiflatulent. With painkiller, vitamin B complex or vitamin C. So it should not give you more side effects, but it gives. So what I asked you, that why are we unwell? I have written in that, because what we do, we believe that ठीक है ना, कभी कभी रात में 2 बजे खा लिया तो क्या है, कभी कभी दोपहर का खाना 3 बजे खा लिया तो क्या. I'm workaholic. The people who are working, what do they say? I'm workaholic. I don't see anything besides my work. So health has become secondary and work became primary. So the things have become primary. They are impractical because they don't help the body until we take care of our discipline according to the nature, according to the 5 elements. Got it? Now you tell me why maximum people have respiratory problem in India. Pollution. And even you told me the depletion of the ozone layer is because of the AC, the perfumes, the computers, the cutting of the trees, and the vehicles on the road, construction, constant construction. So it is affecting everybody, my dear. It has not affected me because I am following one thing, that I get up at 4:30 in the morning. Whether I sleep 12 or 1, then I do my Yog Nidra to fulfill. In 15 minutes Yog Nidra, I can complete my 3 hours sleep. 15 minutes Yog Nidra. Yes. What time?
12.
And what time you get up in vacations?
Sometimes I get up at 7:30, sometimes 8, sometimes 6:30.
Okay, not fixed, not disciplined. Okay.
No, when I have to study, I get up at 6:30.
Okay.
When I go to
but when you study, what time you sleep?
Sleep 10. No, 10:30. Yesterday, 2-3 days ago, I slept at 10:30. Normally, I sleep at 11:30, 12.
Acha, even during the college also?
During college, then I wake up late on the alternatives.
Acha. So it means there is no discipline of the system. Sometime you get up late, sometime you get up early, sometime you sleep late, sometime you sleep early. System is unable to understand how should I manage, how should I act. But we take it, तो क्या करें, घर वाले भी बोलते हैं अरे भाई ही इज़ वर्किंग हार्ड, लेट हिम स्लीप. हो सकता है कि पापा कहते हैं डू नॉट स्लीप लेट टिल
डू नॉट स्लीप
लेट टिल लेट,
मतलब रात को ना,
सुबह.
सुबह
अच्छा चले,
नॉर्मल टाइम उठ जाता है.
नहीं कभी यू सेड ना, कभी 6:30 उठ जाता हूँ, ऑल्टरनेटली थोड़ा देर से भी उठता
There
हूँ.
is 9, 8:30 now.
So that is there. Early, the right thing according to the system of our body, human body, not yours, mine, everybody. We are 144 crore in India. तो हर किसी को सूर्य से 2 घंटे पहले उठ जाने की ज़रूरत है.